If you're also vlogging using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, then a high definition optical lens is a must-have. By the way, hindi pala sponsored ang video na to. Pinili ko po ito sa aking sweldo, my own pera. So this product is from Newer. It's a high definition optical glass lens, 185 degrees, ultra wide angle. So if you will notice, sa ultra wide angle, it will enhance the quality of our shots. So it's very easy to attach. You just need to remove first the old protective lens. And bago dyan, you need to wipe out the dust. Wipe out the dust. So yan, linisin muna natin yung pinaka-lens niya. And also the 185-degree angle lens, f-able lens. So dyan, paikot-ikot lang. Kagaya ng ex mo, pinaikot ka lang at umasa ka naman. Ayan, ikot-ikot mo lang siya, be. Ayan. Tapos swipe mo yung dust. After that, you just need to turn on. Ayan. Ay, hindi siya mag-on, be. Ay, low bat pala. Wait, papalitan natin ng battery. Ayan. So after that, you just need to go to the settings in order for you to enable the FOV boost lens. By the way, this is much cheaper. Again, from Newer. I haven't tested yet sa outside. Pero if you will like and follow and share, iti-test natin yan. Pag gumaling nitong gout ko. This is not yet available dito sa TikTok, no? Pero hopefully,